See, if you're gonna kiss your dog and your dog has bad breath, good, make sure you're wearing your mask. You guys can turn your heads for that part if you need to. Okay. Wow, you sure are handsome today, Mr. Guernsey. Woo! I like what you've done with your ears. They're so curly. So anyway, so that was just made short work of that. And the trick is, when you dump out all your flammable material at the burn pile, you want to leave it in the middle of the main trail. And in case you haven't noticed, everything's like main trail with me. If I'm on the trail, it's the main trail. And that tree is pointed right at the smoky sun. It's a sign. What is it all? Oh, there he goes. I think we lost our milking cow, folks. Guernsey, get over here. See, he can jump out this. I should get that on video. Okay. Good girl, Alice. Stay. Guernsey, get out of the truck. Get it. Come on. Get in the truck. That dog. Look at his haunches. They look like giant turkey legs. He's like so strong. That dog can jump so far and so high. And he can dance all night under the pale moonlight. Okay, there's some big logs for you folks. And Guernsey's gonna drive us home. Let's go, Guernsey.